guys, welcome back to our hairstyling video. So today we'll be making this very easy peasy bun. For that we'll be needing this tool. Roll the hairs like this and fix this by rotating it, and your bun is ready. Next we will tie the hairs like this. Then we will rotate it from the between like this, divide it into two sections, tie it and then fix it by putting it upward. Now tie it and your beautiful bun is ready. Next we will tie a ponytail and put a clutch and make a simple easy breezy bun. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie the ponytail and then put this bun making tool in it. Now we will tie the rubber band and fix the hairs. After that, take the hairs, roll it like this and fix it upward using a hairpin, and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Put the hairs on the alternative sides. Now we will make the plaits and fix it on the alternative side, and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the back by making the plaits. Take the hairs from the sides one by one and make the plaits so that it gives a layered type of design on the back. Here we are making a different type of plait, so watch the video very carefully and follow these steps. After you are done, we will tie the hairs and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the sides like this. Take the hairs one by one from the back and tie it in the front. First we will tie the hairs and take it to the another side one by one as shown in the video. Tie it on the back and it's ready. Next we will tie a ponytail like this. Then we will rotate the hairs and fix it like this and then cover the hairs using a clutch, and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.